CELER network can reach $0.1, it can go back to this price, and we're going to see how it is possible in today's update. It's just an update really of the previous video I have done really on the YouTube channel. It was 4 months ago when it was on the very bottom, was already looking for this possible impulse if you're to the upside. And so here we go, you've got this nice even the 5, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, or 5, the blue wave here, to make another bigger wave on 2. So now we're going to focus today more on the bullish wave count than the bearish wave count. But I'm gonna cover really quick the bearish wave count just in case we still have to be bearish, because as a trader and an investor we have to be aware of every possible move and every possibilities. Okay, on this being said, I'm going to now teach you Elliott Wave, of course, while while showing you the TA here. If you want to learn Elliott Waves, well, you've come to the right place. I'm going to explain you everything, going slowly and explain you all the fibs, all the stuff, how to pull the extension tool, the retracement tool, everything really. And also you've come to the right place simply because on the 4th of March on the MOONCHARTS.fr website you will get a brand new Elliott Wave course. So you will be able to learn almost half of this course and play a contest with some nice rewards for absolutely free. So just go and sign up on the MOONCHARTS.fr website, it's free, okay, and then you just have to enjoy really on the 4th of March and on every single Wednesday right here. Here in March, so you have the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th courses here, and on every course you have a Q&A session. And on April, the 1st week, bam, the contest is here, and you will be able to play and possibly win something. I'm not saying what yet, but stay tuned. I'm gonna give you the possible rewards next. Anyway, now let's jump into this. So first of all, let's cover the bullish count. Okay, this is simply what we have planned in the last update. I'm not going to cover the levels. If you want to get this, simply go and watch at the last update I have done on CELR. Really, you get everything in there, even the higher time frame plan. Now we're really going to focus on this section of the chart here today. Okay, so the thing is here we've got, you know, so the 5 waves leading the correction, the 5 waves, another 5 waves here. So in that case, if these blue 5 waves are not completing the wave 3, as always, it's not possible to make a wave 3 before the wave on top. So in that case, it's simply a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2 retracement, and now we can look for a nice increase in price. So how do you find the targets of the waves really? Well, to find a wave 2 targets, as always, you use the retracement tool because you look for a retracement, and for a push to the upside here for the wave 3 and 5, you're going to use the extension tool. Okay, so sorry, I have the order flow on the right. I'm trying at the same time, so I pay attention to the order flow too. So here the thing is, a wave 2, as always, have 73% chance, so it's huge to stop between the 50, 618, 66%. That is a regular wave 2. We have more chance to go in there. Went exactly in here. From here we get a bounce. So what are the targets of this wave 3? We simply now to take the extension tool. By the way, how to find the wave 2 target, sorry. You place the retracement tool from the wave on top down to the wave 1 root, and well, you just have to add the targets, 50, 618, 86%. Of course, you can add the other targets, so 38.2, 56, 186%, 7x6, because we don't have 100% chance to stop in here. We can stop before as we can stop after. Very important. So add all the confidence and everything. If you want to get more, well, just go and check out the website. You have a beginner course there, so you can understand what is a confidence and everything. So now, and it's free, by the way, again. So here, now we know how to find a wave 2, so now we can simply look for the wave 3. So first click, take the extension tool, first click wave 1 root, second click wave 1 top, and the third click will go on the wave 2 bottom right here. Then we can add so the wave 3 targets, so to speak here, the 120 extension. We have only 2% chance to stop here, so this is very small, so we do not expect really to stop here if we're to be in a bull market next. So 120 extension, 1618, we have more chance to reach this minimum normally. Then we have the 200% right here, then the 2618, 3618, and the maximum wave 3 target, 423.6. Should we go above, just in case, for example, we start doing a wave 3 like this? Well, it's an extension, we cannot find the targets like this, we just have to use a smaller wave to find the targets, but for now we don't have them, so we cannot really say this. I mean, we cannot really check for this. So now let's take the case that we're going to do something regular, okay, not too big, not too small. If we stop on the 1618, well, it's possible, to be honest, we stop there, but I'm gonna go with the 2618 to make this a bit more realistic. Okay, no, don't want to make it too bullish at all, just gonna make this a bit more realistic how it is most of the time really. Now yeah, just be aware of that. These are the main targets really we have to be aware of. Oops, oh no. For the wave 3, okay, so all these red square here, all the fibs you can see above really, okay, all of these are the main targets you will have to pay attention to. First of all, if of course you want to ride this all these trades and everything, you want to short the wave 3 top, long the wave 4, but I mean, well, yeah, here all the way through with these targets. By the way, if you want to get some free out update live in the time, you just have to join the Discord server. This was, for example, a request right here for the CELR coin, but you have, for example, some CASPATIAs. I'm really giving you everything. For example, just my, I mean, this one is absolutely crazy. We're running this market like well, here we go. And so we did got this really nice increase in price, and so this really nice increase in price 2.1 market reverse a bit. So yeah, we're of course defending some few positions or so because I'm trading this. So that's pretty cool. But just go and check this out really. For example, the bonk update this morning, we've got this nice wave 2, look for the wave 3. We've got this really nice increase in price. We're now above the value high. I mean, some really good stuff really. Just go and check this out, and everything is for absolutely free. Or for example, yesterday on Bitcoin, well, I was telling you that I did not short this top. It was the same as before. I'm gonna wait first of all for the retest, and if the retest is not bearish, well, we're simply going to look for a new high. So we did not drop it, and we did got a nice continuation because on the retest I was sleeping personally, so in any case I think it was bad, and so nice continuation. And same for the previous top, I told this was not bearish. Okay, still not bearish on Bitcoin, too much shorts and bullish divergence, and so well, we did took the highs and got this nice continuation again. But anyway, let's come back on this just so you're aware of that. This is free. I don't need your money, so you don't need to pay me to give all to get all of this. It's free, so just join and enjoy. That's it. Anyway, let's take a case that now we're going to go to the 2618 of the wave 3. Once we have done this, how to find the wave 4 targets now, because when we retrace from here, we'll have to find the targets of this if you want to know. So you take the retracement tool, first click on the wave 1 top, second click on the wave the wave 3 top, second click on the wave 3 root. From here, you add the wave 4 targets, so to speak here, 2316, 3132, and the 38.2. These two fibs in between, okay, this 3132, the yellow ones here, these are some fibs you won't find anywhere else, simply because this is something we have created here. We have been able to run some stats on this. Well, we've got a bounce yesterday from the exact dollar on this. We've got a bounce on Caspa, for example, at the moment. We've got a bounce on many assets. For example, Bonk yesterday was trading this every single wave 4545. Well, here is an example. You've got a bounce from the MC fib. You've got another bounce after this, so after a 2.1 market drop here, you've got another bounce next from the again MC fib. So you can see here it's really well respected, so I really highly recommend you to add this on your fib, okay, on your chart for the wave 4, and you will thank me later. So anyway, next we expect simply a bounce in here. Be aware of that. If we do a massive push to the upside, well, we have done a regular wave 2, so we normally should do a regular wave 4, but as always, if we do a massive move up, well, it's still possible that we do something a bit bigger and we go hit the 50%, okay, just so you can understand the logic here. Bigger the wave 2 is, smaller the wave 4 gonna be. Bigger the wave 2 is, bigger the wave 2 is, smaller the wave 4 gonna be. Smaller the wave 2 is, bigger the wave 4 gonna be. It's just gonna do the opposite. And if it's a regular wave 2, what we have done here, so a 56.66%, we're going to look for a regular wave 4, so to speak, this, okay, 2316 down to 38.2 with the MC fib in between. Now, when we rise big like this, like really big, it's possible, and it's fine to go and touch the 50%, even if we have done a regular wave 2. Okay, just so you're aware of this when we're going to do this wave 4. Now, we have the targets of the wave 3, we have the target of the wave 4 if we retrace from here. How to find the wave 5 targets? Well, just take the third click of the extension tool, place it on the wave 4 bottom, and add the wave 5 target. So to speak here, 618, 121 extension, 1618, and the 2618. These are all the wave 5 targets you will have to be aware of once we're going to be into this wave 5. So now, these are the smaller green waves into the wave 3. Now, if you want to add some more confidence, for example, the wave 3, like we do a massive extension here, just gonna remove this, it's too early, gonna remove this, if the wave 3 here go a lot higher, really do an extension, we start to do a massive push to the upside here. What targets we can look for, just so you're aware of this, well, simply the wave 3 targets. So how do we find the wave 3 targets? Same as for the green wave 3, you pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top down to the wave 2 bottom. Okay, from here targets are the following: 121 extension, 1618, 200%, 2618, 3618, 420, 316, always the same. And so we're going to look for this 3618 and the 420, 316. This is where we should get a stop if I have to go in an extension into these smaller waves. Okay, the smaller wave 3. Now let's stay with this. And so again, we just have to do exactly the same next for the wave 4 and the wave 5, the red waves. Okay, we just pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root like this, and we have again the wave 4 turret, and next we pull the extension tool for the wave 5. For now, I'm gonna stay with this. I'm gonna keep updating this. Join the Discord server. I think I'm gonna update this there. But yeah, this is a bullish wave count. Really, if I have to be bullish from here, this is what I'm going to take. Now there is always another possibility. Be aware of this. We can always be in some bearish stuff, in some bearish wave count. It looks a bit less probable, to be fair, these days, but I prefer to plan this in case we have to do it. Okay, it's not because we have a 5 waves correction that we are going to do a 1, 2, 3, or 5. As always, what are the plans starting with 5 waves? It can be either, so as we understood, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the red waves I drew earlier, either an A, B, C zigzag. So if we have to be an A, B, C zigzag, well, you know, we're simply going to complete the green wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is going to complete the C wave, and this ABC zigzag is going to complete an X wave of a double E, X, Y, X, and Z, and then we're going to look for a new low to be made with this nice Z wave. Okay, but in any case, yeah, we should. It looks more probable to get these green waves here to the upside impulsive, so we should get a bit of a rise normally. Okay, so yeah, I hope this helped. I'm not gonna share, as I said, the levels in the today's update. Go and watch the previous video for this. So yeah, I hope you have been able to catch some few lows there, well, I hope you have been able to make some good gains on this. If you want to get the live updates on Bitcoin and all the alts, well, feel free to join the Discord server. All of these channels are absolutely free. You do not need, again, to pay for this. It's absolutely free. You can talk with everyone, just get some good time really with everyone, make some profit together and everything. And don't forget, if you want to learn Elliott Waves, you really came to the right place. Well, you can see by yourself really. Okay, we've been able to plan all of this 4 months ago, and this on tons of coins. On CKB, for example, now we've got the bull run was looking for months ago already. Like the last time just to tell you, was like they're coming to send it to space. Well, they did send it to space because we got a nice 50% increase in price. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. So if you want to learn Elliott Waves, really, you've come to the right place, and go and sign up on the website. Really, you will thank me later because you'll be able to make some crazy predictions. Anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. If you want to thank me, well, the only way you can do this is by subscribing to the channel. Write a comment. Really, this helps with the YouTube algorithm as always, so thank you so much if you take the time to do it. Also, if you can well, subscribe and everything, this shows the support. And yeah, take care of you, that's important, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.